Picking people's brains is a good way to learn about their minds. So says neuroanatomist Jacopo Annese.
We're studying brain structure and trying to understand how the architecture of the brain supports our behavior, our thoughts, our memories, our way of thinking.
Annese heads the Brain Observatory at the University of California, San Diego. It's where he and his team look for connections, mapping brain structure and connecting it to human behavior. Support from the National Science Foundation helped Annese launch the Digital Brain Library. He acquires donated brains and examines their physical characteristics.
The brain is sliced into thin sections and serially, going from one tip, the frontal tip of the brain, to the back.
A normal-sized brain produces about 3,000 slivers. Each one is placed on glass, stained, and is digitized. Eventually, each slice is digitally reassembled, creating a virtual 3D image of the brain.
If somebody has had a pattern of behavior during their life, is that pattern of behavior reflected in the structure of the brain? Can we see it?
Annese seeks out people who knew the donor to find what they were like when they were alive.
It is fascinating to try to connect their life with the actual brain.
But locating those who knew donors can be a challenge. So Annese is looking for donors to commit to the program while they're alive. 92-year-old Betty Ferguson signed up, and she has no regrets about willing her brain to the observatory when she dies.
Look, I'm not going to need that brain anymore. Once I graduate, goodbye.
Point to the number 8.
And if he can take the brain and learn something from it, I think that's important.
In addition to assessing her cognitive abilities, Annese will ask Ferguson about her unique life experience, like her role in the movie The Wizard of Oz.
I was the flying monkey that came down and picked up Toto and flew off to the witch's castle.
Annese thinks understanding the link between the brain and behavior will lead to insights to treating brain injuries or diseases. And that's something to think about. For Science Nation, I'm Miles O'Brien.